Alright, the next step is we're going to shape the mortar. In the previous step, we just filled the gaps, the joints with mortar. And the idea there was to fill it as much as we could. We didn't want to leave any space in there. So we overfilled it a little bit, as you can see here, going along the stair-stepping crack there. And now this next step is to actually shape it. We have a tool here called a jointer. There's two different sizes, 3/4 inch, half inch, depending on the size of the joint that you've got between your bricks. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to shape it, texture it a little bit. This is a pretty quick step. Again, here you just want to compact it, push it in. At the same time, it's got this concave shape here that we're going to use to make a shape for it. You can see it looks pretty darn good. I'll grab the camera here. I'll show you exactly what it looks like now. The color is going to match a little bit better as it dries. It's still a little wet, of course, but hey, it looks pretty darn close to new, doesn't it?